Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use screen recorder with internal sound on Xiaomi 17. First of all, let's add screen recorder to the control center. So swipe down the control center and tap edit at the bottom. Then scroll down until you find the camera icon and tap on it to add it to your control center. Then tap OK, and now to enable screen recording, tap on this camera icon, give it all the permissions, and now once you see this toolbar, if you want to adjust the sounds that will be recorded during your screen recording, just tap this gear icon, and here you can select things like resolution, video quality, orientation, and what's most important, the sound source. So if you want to have system sounds on your recording, select system. If you want to use a microphone, then select microphone and give this app a respective permission. Or if you want to use both at once, then select both option. You can also adjust the frame rate to record a video in a higher quality, and you can adjust more recording options at the bottom. To start the recording, press this red circle, and to stop it, just tap on it once again, and the screen recording will be saved in your device's native gallery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.